Hello and welcome back to the construction update. This is July, and you'll see that they've dug a hole there where the visitor center used to be. Looks like they're building a tunnel. Also a reminder to stay tuned clear to the end. I've got some special video of the early part of the construction work. Then I tip the camera back up toward the temple, and I'm going to come in alongside this new crane that they installed and come closer to the temple here. If you look carefully at the roof there on the close side of the camera, there's some activity there. And then looking down into the addition, that's going to be almost 300,000 square feet. It hasn't changed a lot, but you can still see some work has been done. I'm sure a lot of detail is being taken care of. There's a good view of that little tunnel going underneath the temple that's going to go over to the conference center parking lot as a new entrance to the temple. This is a west side of the temple, just kind of scooting along here, getting you a view of where the spires will be someday. There's another tower crane there. You can see a good view of the Joseph Smith Memorial Building, that white building in the distance, that large white building in the distance. I'm going to swing around here and look to the north. That's a picture of the conference center with the gardens on the roof. So now just taking a little view across the north side of the temple, looking at the plaza between the Joseph Smith Memorial and the church office building. The plaza is actually getting put back together. There's some greenery going back in there, some trees, etc. So yeah, that's going to be a nice place. It's going to have flags from all around the world in it. Okay, there's one large green tree right there that they've done all this construction around that's being preserved for when the temple's done. That tree will still be there. Okay, now just going to kind of scoot along here and show the skyline of the city with the temple and Temple Square in the foreground. Well, these are the early videos I told you about. Look at that big track hoe with its arm inside the temple. And this is just a drill bringing up some dirt. Look how much or how deep it was as it comes up.